The most treasured things in life are often discovered when you least expect them. A simple step can change your direction, lead you to new paths, allow you the luxury to look deep into your soul and cherish the luxury of relaxing, the luxury of staring at the horizon, simply because you have the time. Time to laugh, the time to dream, the time to realize that the greatest adventure is just being together. Revel in a smile with the heat of a glance. The pleasure of savoring freedom and the joy of sharing it. The enchantment of listening to the sounds of everything. These are the little things that make you come alive. And then suddenly, clarity abounds. And your heart affirms that life is a luxury. Enjoy it.